For daily hacks of the human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. Different types of body fats and how to get rid of them. Are you trying to figure out how to deal with that excess body weight? If so, you're not alone. Obesity is a major challenge that can be a bit difficult to resolve. The thing is, there are different types of body fat, 6 to be precise. In this video, we're going to explore each of them and, of course, suggest the best way to keep them out of your life for good. Sounds good? Let's dive in. Note we have 2 types of body fat distribution, including android, common in men, and gynoid, common in women. 1. Upper body fat. For starters, upper body fat is caused by excessive intake of food and low exercise level. That said, it's in your best interest to quit eating sweets, including sugary foods and sweetened drinks, and of course, kick up your activity levels a notch. 30 minutes of walking, running, or swimming should do the trick. 2. Lower abdomen fat. Are you struggling with extra weight in this area? If so, you should be aware that the buildup of fat in this area is a result of stress, depression, and anxiety. As you probably guessed, the surest way to resolve this is by taking life easy, avoiding stress, and relaxing. It is also great to try meditation, or better still, yoga. 3. Lower body fat. This type of fat is more common in women, and it happens to be quite difficult to melt away. Your thighs may be bigger because you're eating too much gluten, so you won't be wrong to switch to a gluten-free diet. It's also great to walk up stairs or hills. This will help burn thigh fat and tone leg muscles. In a nutshell, give yourself to lower body resistance training and cardio workouts. 4. Swollen stomach obesity. As you probably guessed, swollen stomach fat is more common in men and can be linked to excessive intake of alcohol. The solution? Well, just cut back on alcohol and save yourself the trouble it brings. What's more, you can try out some breathing exercises and see if they work for you. It's also an excellent idea to eat smaller portions and, of course, eat more often. This will keep your metabolism in check and keep you energized throughout the day. 5. Lower body fat, lower legs. This particular problem is common in pregnant women or those who have leg vein issues. Speaking of pregnancy, your legs may swell, but the good thing is it doesn't have to be that way. Right off the bat, you may want to cut off salty foods, since they typically cause fluid retention in the body. Moreover, try to be active. Just stand up and walk every now and then, at least every 30 minutes. Also be sure to sit with your feet raised whenever you can. This will prevent liquid from collecting in your lower legs. 6. Large stomach with upper back fat. Finally, this type of body fat is caused by low activity levels or inactivity. With that in mind, you won't be wrong to start exercising as soon as possible. What's more, try not to starve yourself. Instead, stick to eating smaller meals on a regular basis. It's also important to get enough sleep at night and eat more food that is rich in fiber. So there you go. Now that you know the root cause of your weight problem, it's now up to you to do needful. Take action and get the body of your dreams. Stay fit and healthy. If you liked the video, give it thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.